Hello friends, today we can learn how to use GPT. So first of all, you need to create a login into the ChatGPT. So here you can enter some Gmail account or something else you can enter into the GPT. So now I am entering with my GPT account. So this is my GPT account. Now here how to use GPT. So this is the GPT chat. So you can enter anything. So first of all, what is see here automatically grammar is changing. So, what is what chat GPT. So is what GPT. What is GPT? ChatGPT is a large language model development by the open source that machine learning. See, it is automatically it is converting right how to uh, write factorial number factorial of given factorial of 5 number in Python. So it will return automatically Python code. So right to the C return Python code. It's returns perfect program. Okay, and how to use Google Colab for machine learning. Google Colab. Okay, so Google Colab is a free platform that allow user to write and execute Python code. Okay, go to that way. See, it can return anything. Right, Chat GPT is a very wonderful tool nowadays. So you can use every instruction is given to you step by step by GPT. You see, it is a very wonderful. It is a beauty of Chat GPT. Okay, see now how to see we can write something. What is write as short essay on mobile device. Okay, it can get written some small description related to. See here, three dots are popping out. So it is some extracting some data. Write short essay on mobile device. So here, so if you want stop, you can stop. So see, you can also store some your data. How to use LASIK surgery. So if you are from medical background, so LASIK surgery is detailed form. So one by one. So here if you want to clean conversion, so you can clean the conversion. Okay, confirm, right, clean conversion. Okay, every conversion are remove. Now here I can type addition of two number in C program. See, anything you are writing, whatever you are asking to ChatGPT, it can give the result. Okay, it is a very very useful tool. See, this program takes two number as an input. Everything you can learn from ChatGPT. You are not you are not from a programming background, so you can easily learn any programming language or anything, right? So how to how to mm, draw 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 ER diagram from draw.io. So to draw ER diagram using steps. So open ER diagram and create a new shape, anything, UML diagram, anything, drag and drop ER diagram. So you can implement. See, very wonderful example of uh, and node graph. See, Node.js graph database, right? See, it is continuously working, right? Graph stop. So here concept of Pythagora, concept of uh, distance, concept of in the graph theory, distance refer to a amount of effort and cost, right? Vector node to another, right? Graph. So it gives the graph related example. Whatever you can ask. Okay. Shortest path, disjecta path. Okay, stop. What is computer networking? Okay, networking. You can anything ask. You don't go to Google now. You can directly ask anything to this. You can write anything. See, local area network, wide area network. All right. If you want to stop, you can stop to see. Mm, yes, essay on cow. Cow is a domesticated mammal. All right, anything. Essay on cow. But here there is no image concept. Everything is a textual format. So this is the small concept, right? You can learn from ChatGPT. You don't go to Google. You just go to ChatGPT and ask anything to ChatGPT text box, and it is a beauty of ChatGPT. Thank you everyone for watching this video.